topic I will be speaking about is what one needs in order for people to believe them when running for office, whether it be for governor, president, or any elected official. When one is running in a political campaign, people usually take what they say with a grain of salt because of how often politicians lie. One thing to keep in mind about this subject is that everybody has different opinions on what they consider is a good reason to believe someone. So some of these things might not work on everyone. The first and most common way to get your audience to believe you if you're running in a political campaign is to try to be relatable. You need to make it so that the audience knows or thinks that you are just like them. You can see this all the time when watching a politician campaign, when he or she will say how they are or were brought up as an average middle class American, when in actuality they are considerably wealthy and usually always were. Another good reason to get people to believe in you is if you appeal to the emotional side. While it is never a good reason to believe in someone based on emotion alone, it does convince many people, and it is a good way to get people to believe you, as once again, it makes them think that you are just like them. The next way to get people to believe you is, well, to be honest. By simply being honest and using facts and statistics when speaking, this will make many people believe you, as they will think that you are a logical and an intelligent person. A key thing to remember when trying to get your audience to believe you is that you are having to convince them. As such, you should always follow the three categories that the ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle made when talking about persuading. This being ethos, pathos, and logos. While these three categories were made so long ago, they can still be seen today, as all of the above examples I gave fall into each of these categories. Ethos is the first category, and it is the speaker's credibility. This is where trying to seem like a regular person comes in, as you want to be credible in the sense that you understand the people's problems. The second is pathos, and it is the emotional appeal I talked about, which is what most speakers use today, as once again it is very effective. The final one is logos, which is, as the name suggests, the logic behind what you are saying. If you follow each of these categories, then there is a very good chance that people will believe what you have to say.